Children, now let us be with the class 10 of the volume 1, and I have selected the 7th problem. The 7th problem says that ABCD is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. The angle A and C are obtuse angle. So we have to take, let us take this in this way. A, B, C, D. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. The side A, AB, no problem. Reading to the side A, B. Okay. A, B, C, D. ABCD is a parallelogram. The side AB is produced. Side AB and AD are produced to E and F. Side AB is produced to E and side AD is produced to F. Respectively, such that AB is equal to BE, AB is equal to BE, and AD is equal to DF. AD is equal to DF. Prove that triangle BEC is congruent to triangle DCF. Now, according to the given solution, we come to note, you have to write down by yourself. Just I will explain you. ABCD is a given parallelogram. AB is produced to E such that AB is equal to BE. Once again, ABCD is a parallelogram. AB is produced to E such that AB is equal to BE. Similarly, AD is produced to F such that AD is equal to DF. These are the solution. Now we have to prove triangle BEC. BEC. Join this. BEC and DCF. Yes, we have got a straight line. Are congruent. This triangle and this triangles are congruent. We have to prove. So let us write down. After solution, construction. Join CF and EC. Now, in triangle, before that, let's have some supplements. Okay. Let us write down supplements. AB is equal to BE. This is given. Okay. And AB is equal to DC. Opposite sides of parallelogram. Therefore, AB is equal to BE is equal to DC. That is, AB is equal to BE is equal to DC. Let me have one line. Next, second. This is first one. Second. AD is equal to DF given. And AD is equal to BC. Opposite sides of parallelogram. Therefore, AD is equal to DF is equal to BC. So, let me have this also with double line. So, here AB is equal to BE is equal to DC. AD is equal to DF is equal to BC from, let us call this as 1 and this as 2. Now, children, we know that in a parallelogram, opposite angles are, first I am giving all the equipments. Later, let us prove these two triangles are congruent. In a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So, let us call this as ADC and as X, and then ABC will be X. Opposite angles are x. Of course, this is a straight line. So, this will be 180 minus x. Here also it will be 180 minus x. I think you come to know the things. Yes, now let us write down. Let us write down. Angle ADC is equal to angle ABC is equal to x because opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Therefore, angle CDF is equal to angle CBE is equal to 180 minus x I have taken. Now, in triangle BEC and triangle DCF. First one let us write down. BE is equal to DC. Reason from 1. Number 2. BC. Let us go for angle. Call this as 3. Angle CBE is equal to angle CBE. BEC. Okay. CBE is equal to angle FDC. Is equal to 180 minus x. Reason from 3. Now third one. BC is equal to DF from 2. Therefore, triangle BEC is congruent to triangle DCF according to side condition. Hence, proved. Children, look here. Side, angle, side. These two triangles are congruent. First, we want to get all the supplements. Then, it is very easy to prove these two triangles are congruent. Children, I have selected the 9th problem. The 9th problem, the figure they have given by themselves, and in the following diagram, AP and BQ are equal and parallel to each other. AP and BQ are equal and parallel to each other. It is given. Solution: AP is equal to BQ and AP is parallel to BQ. This is the thing they have given. And what to be proved? Triangle AOP is congruent to triangle BOQ. We have to prove, and AB and PQ bisect each other. AB and PQ bisect each other means we have to prove PO is equal to OQ and AO is equal to OB. Then it is understood AB and PQ bisect each other. First, let us prove this congruency. Now, in triangle AOP and triangle BOQ. First, AP is equal to BQ given. Second one, angle APO is equal to angle BQO. Alternate angles because AP is parallel to BQ. Third one also same way. PAO is equal to QBO. Same reason. Alternate angles because AP is parallel to BQ. Therefore, triangle AOP is congruent to triangle BOQ according to ASA condition. ASA condition. First question easily we have proved. Now we have to write the CPCTC. Children, we have proved that APO, this is equal to this. Now let me write the double arc. This angle is equal to this angle. Both are alternate angles and we have proved. According to ASA condition, these two triangles are congruent. Now opposite to this AO is equal to BO. CP, CTC. Call this as 1. PO is equal to BO. Call this as 2. This is also CP, CTC. From 1 and 2, we can prove AB and PQ bisects each other. Hence proved. Children, I have showed the problem till up to 9. Try out 10 and 12. It's easy. You can. All the best.